This is how to play We Worship You, Our Lord, You Are Worthy to Be Praised. I don't know the original key of the song, but in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to play this song using the key of F sharp and also the key of C sharp. Okay, so without any waste of time, let's jump straight to it. I'm gonna start first by playing it to you guys so that you can remember it, and then I'll break it down after. So in the key of C sharp, it says, We worship you, our Lord. You are worthy to be praised. We worship you, our Lord. You are worthy to be praised. It has a very simple chord progression, okay? Let's break it down on the key of C sharp. On the key of C sharp, it starts right on this chord. It starts right here. This is our number 4 on the major scale of the key of C sharp. From 4, it goes to 1, first inversion, this chord. From here, we go to a 5, which is this chord. From 5, we go to 1, second inversion, which is this chord. That's our first part. And then our second part, you go to 4, you go to 1, first inversion, you go to 5, but a second inversion. Remember, on our first part, we went to 5, right on the root chord, right? But on our second part, we play second inversion. And then back to 1. Let's do it one last time. It's 4 on our first part. 4, 1, first inversion, 5, root chord, and then 1, second inversion. Second part, 4, 1, first inversion, and then 5, second inversion, and then you play 1. It's very, very simple. So on the left, when you play 4, on the left, you go to 4 as well. When you play 1, on the left, you go to 5. You stay there until you play 5 on the right. When you go to 1, second inversion, on the left, you also go to 1. And then you repeat the same thing on the second part. 4, 5, you stay there until you play 5, and then 1. It's very simple. We worship you, our Lord. You are worthy to be praised. We worship you, our Lord. You are worthy to be praised. It's very simple. So let's break it down on the key of F sharp. This is the key of F sharp. Okay. On the key of F sharp, it starts right on this chord. This is our number 4 on the key of F sharp. Okay. On the key of F sharp, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then it goes back to 1. Okay, so this song starts right on number 4, which is this chord. It starts here. Okay, this is our number 4. From 4, remember, we go to 1, first inversion, which is this chord. From 1, first inversion, we go to 5, which is this chord. Okay, from 5, we go to 1, second inversion, which is this chord. That's our first part. And then our second part, we go to 4, we go to 1, first inversion, we go to 5, second inversion, which is this chord, and then we go back to 1, first inversion. It's very simple, right? So on the left, when you play 4, you're going to play 4 on the left. Sorry, it doesn't work. I'm going to play it down here, but it's this note. Okay, this is our number 4. From 4, you go to 5, and then you stay there until you play 5, and then go to 1. Repeat the same thing, 4, and then 5, stay there until you play 5, and then 1. It's very simple. We worship you, O Lord. You are worthy to guys, I believe you learned something from this video. If you did, please drop a like. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Until we meet again, God bless you.